Ever wondered how a nut and bolt actually come together inside Fusion 360? In this tutorial, we'll model both parts and set up a simple joint simulation. So hello, you beautiful people out there. Welcome back to Tensorvid. This lesson is based on your requests by emails after watching my previous videos. And it's a great way to explore the sketch tools, 3D features, and joint simulation. Few new methods you need to understand how different parts interact in Fusion. By the end, you'll not only have a clean nut and bolt model, but also see how they move together through a real Fusion 360 joint setup. Every small step counts, so don't skip and watch till the end. So let's jump right into it. I'll start by saving the file and naming it Day 4, Nut and Bolt. Next, I'll create a sketch and choose the bottom plane. Let's draw a circle right from the center of the canvas. As you can see, the units are in inches, but I want millimeters for this tutorial. So, I'll go into the document settings, click this icon, and change the unit system to millimeters. Now, let's draw the circle again and make it 8 mm. One more circle inside it with a diameter of 5 mm. Let's finish the sketch. Now we'll extrude the smaller circle by 15 mm. Let me bring back the sketch and extrude the outer ring to about 1.5 mm. We need a little extrusion at the top so that we can create a socket with a screwdriver attached to tighten it. I'll rotate the view upside down, and with the sketch tool active, let's select the top face of the bolt. Now, I'll create a rectangle from the center of the face, stretching all the way across it. The width doesn't matter here. We will give it a height of 1.5 mm. Let's finish the sketch. Using the extrude tool, I'll extrude it inward by -1 mm. We'll also add a small chamfer on these two edges. Now let's create the threads. You'll find the thread option under the Create menu. After choosing the thread tool, select the face where we want the threads, that's this face right here. To make the threads properly modeled, turn on the Model checkbox. If you uncheck it, the threads are just a projection, which might be useful if you want to save system memory. Fusion 360 automatically selects the correct thread profile based on the cylinder's diameter. However, we don't want the threads to go all the way from top to bottom. So, uncheck the full-length box to unlock the arrow handles for thread offset. I'll move the bottom arrow up by 1.5 mm, and the top arrow will go all the way to the end of the bolt. Make sure Remember Size is turned on and click OK. We'll add a chamfer of about 1.2 mm to the top ring of the bolt. If you'd like, you can go back in the timeline and add a chamfer to the bottom end of the bolt to give it a pointed tip. And then readjust the threads by editing the feature to fix any errors. But I'll keep it simple, no pointy end for now. I'll just add a fillet of 0.02 mm to the threads for a smoother look. And there you go. Our board is ready. In the next part, we'll create the nut, join it with the bolt, and simulate it so it looks like a real nut animation. jump right into it. Also, if you like my explanation, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your support helps my channel grow and continue delivering high-quality Fusion 360 videos.